Hi everyone, I'm Smileypeacefun, and today I'm gonna do a Foxtrail. For those of you who don't know what a Foxtrail is, it's basically Switzerland's biggest treasure hunt or scavenger hunt, and they have over 40 trails throughout Switzerland. The way it works is you go online, you choose a trail you wanna do, and you get an email with all your informations on when to be where, and then you need to find a lot of clues and riddles and solve them in order to find out where to go. And the story is that you need to catch the fox. That's why it's called Foxtrail. And if you know me, you know that I love everything that has to do with solving puzzles. And if you follow my channel for a little bit longer, you also know that I've already collaborated with Foxtrail, where we sent a lot of Swiss YouTubers to catch a fox in Bern. This time it's not a collaboration, but I just wanted to do another one of these, and this time I'm gonna do a Foxtrail in Jura, as we call it in Swiss German, which is a part of Switzerland I haven't really discovered yet. And also I'm gonna do this with an old school friend, and I haven't seen her in a long time, so I'm very excited for that as well. And this is gonna be a review, but don't worry, I will not spoiler you the puzzles or riddles. So yeah, I hope you will have fun following me around.
You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high on love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible. We're invincible.
Hi everyone, I'm back home again. Well, it was so awesome doing this Foxtrail in Jura. There were a lot of very creative puzzles. Sometimes you had to use the public transport, which was included in the price package of the trail. Sometimes you had to read through your documents. Sometimes you had to find something in the nature. And the path was really beautiful. And also it was amazing to reconnect with my old school friend. I have 2 points when it comes to criticism. The first point was that there was one riddle that was, in our opinion, not described very well, and no spoilers, but we had to search for a table, and literally as we walked the path there were at least 3 tables, and we were very confused because we didn't find the symbol we were supposed to find. And then as we figured out, we had to walk even further, and this was just one thing that wasn't described very well in our opinion. The second criticism I have is the location where you end the Foxtrail. You start in Delemont, but you end somewhere else, and then you need to take the train. The other Foxtrails I did, you approximately ended at the same place where you began. So this was a bit weird, but otherwise it was a very fun experience. I would do it again at another location. And just so you know, I'm not getting paid by Foxtrail to make this video or tell you about it, and all the opinions in my videos are my very own true and honest opinions, just to clarify that and let you know. So I hope you like this video. See you hopefully next time. I'm Smileypeacefun. Bye!
We're invincible.